एडुटेनमेंट पार्क, खेलो सीखो स्मार्ट बनो। एडुटेनमेंट पार्क में
5 fluffy little robins looked up at the sky. 5 fluffy little robins looked up at the sky. It was time to leave the nest and find out how to fly. It was time to leave the nest and find out how to fly. 4 flitter fluttered off, but one was full of fear. 4 flitter fluttered off, but one was full of fear. He said, "It's far too high. I think I'll stay right here." He said, "It's far too high. I think I'll stay right here." "Come on," said the others, flying freely in the sun. "Come on," said the others, flying freely in the sun. So their little brother tried it and found that it was fun. So their little brother tried it and found that it was fun.
वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। फिर मिलेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज।